the bus. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery and a school. Pick your cart. I want to bring these to class. Let's go get them. School bag. Yes, pencil case. Hand sanitizer. Water bottle. Notebook. Quilt. Pillow. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been bought. Thanks. We have finished shopping. Get on the bus. Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome! We want to take some super cool pictures. All right, let's go change clothes first.
Wow, I like these clothes. Let me try them on. Click the camera and take a... It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you. I need to wear pretty clothes for a photo. Please find some nice ones for me. Click the camera. What a great photo. Thanks. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go. Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the bus. I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
All our friends are on the bus. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
Let's go get a health checkup.
Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found the pattern. We found them all. You have good eyesight. Measuring weight and height. Kiki's weight, 16 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound?
Cow.
Bird.
Rooster.
Thank you. ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.
Thank you. We're done with our health checkup. Let's go to kindergarten.
We have arrived at kindergarten.
This is our classroom. It's where we will study. Can you introduce yourself? I'm Miss Mayne. I'm Mew Mew. I like reading. I'm Kiki. I like playing with you the most.
I'm Hank. I like soccer.
I'm Lulu. I like dancing. Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, Lulu, remember your friends' names. You will be good friends with each other. Let's decorate our classroom. Hang the photos you like on the wall. Wow, I like your photos. The classroom is beautiful now. It's toy time. Pick your favorite toys. Let's play with some toys. Wow, it's fun. Wait. I will catch you. Stop there.
I'll show you how good I am. Oh, my ball!
Wow, it is so fun. Amazing. Do you like the toys in class? It's so fun.
I want to play some more.
Please sort out the toys after playing with them. It's snack time. Let's have something to eat.